Hazrat Abu Hurairah radiyallahu anhu and Hazrat Zayd bin Khalid Johni both state, a man visited the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam and submitted, I adjure you by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, decide between us as per Allah's book. His party, who was comparatively more sensible, got up and submitted, he has said something right. Decide between us in accordance with Allah's book, but allow me to submit the case first. O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam thereupon said, speak. He then submitted, my son was a wage earner with him, and he committed fornication with his wife. So I ransomed him with 100 goats and a slave. I later asked the scholars of its precept, and they told me, for your son is a punishment of 100 flogs and 1 year exile, whereas that woman should be stoned to death. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon said, by him in whose possession my soul is, I will definitely decide between you as per Allah's book. 100 goats and the slave will be returned to you. 100 flogs and 1 year banishment is for your son. O Unas, in the morning inquire of that woman. If she confesses, stone her to death. She confessed, so she was stoned to death. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 6859 and 6860.